Hello there, my name is Dominic and this is how you disable the USB feature on your itel and Syinix digital televisions. Now, please assume that this TV is in a public location or you are a parent and you don't want your children watching obscene things on the TV. You can actually lock that. The hotel mode feature that you are going to use is like a strict or better parental control function. Before we continue, you must select the digital TV feature like that, so that when we go into the menu, we can scroll down into feature and we will see the lock position where we are going to enter our password. So just enter whatever password you had set for your TV, but the default password is usually 4 zeros. So 0000 and scroll down to hotel mode and enter. If hotel mode is in the off position, just press the right navigation button to set it to on and scroll down to source lock, just like that, and then select USB. At the bottom here, I'm going to select it to on. So the only thing I have locked from this list is USB. Now if I exit and try the source button, you can see that the USB has been grayed out. It's not working. So that is how you lock the USB on itel and Syinix digital televisions. I have more videos about the itel and Syinix TV hotel mode features, and you can watch them in my playlist available in the video description below. Now, disclaimer, I have not tried this on itel or Syinix Android TVs, but you can please try it in your homes and tell me in the comments if it works. So that's it. If you learned something new, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. Please share this video with your friends. Let's meet in the next video, and goodbye.